be ingredient eating out the pot right now, but you know, we got our spaghetti noodles with spinach, mushrooms, yellow peppers, red onion, salt, pepper, garlic, basil, a little curry. Meal prep all done for the week. So we got the apple cider vinegar tea each day, and this is just apple cider vinegar, water, honey, and ginger. And then I did juices this week. My juices are, it has watermelon, kale, peaches, strawberries, pineapples. And then lunch is the spaghetti mixture I showed y'all earlier. So it's spaghetti, spinach, red onions, yellow peppers, mushrooms, and I'll have some avocado on a side each day, and I put some lime juice in there. And then my snack each day this week is clementines, and then dinner is rice, beans, corns, and then I'll saute different veggies to put on top of that each day. And then breakfast this week is blueberry oatmeal, of course. Yes. Happy Sunday, y'all. I hope you meal prep this week. Let's save some money and be healthy.